Everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I will be sharing with you all that how I scored 96 out of 100 in chemistry class 12 boards. So I will be talking that why syllabus is crucial, YouTube channels that I have followed, book list, and how I used to make notes and everything. So stay tuned with me till the end of the video. So let's get started. So starting with the syllabus and marking scheme. So download the syllabus first बिकॉज आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपके सिलेबस में कौन से चैप्टर्स एंड टॉपिक्स आने हैं. And in PSB board specifically, you are also provided with a chapter wise marking scheme, and I have added these pics just to show you. And marking scheme means कि किस चैप्टर में से कितने मार्क्स के कौन सी क्वेश्चंस आने हैं. How it will help you. See, if more MCQs are coming from particular chapter, तो आपको MCQs पे ज़्यादा फोकस करना पड़ेगा from that chapter कि you have to focus on details as well, right? If 5 mark question is also coming from a chapter, you have to focus on the theory as well as the concepts, and you can say numericals too, right? Next one is YouTube channels. Now I would like to add that I scored 96 without any coaching. My subject teacher in school was so supportive and I used to follow her advice too. And if I talk about YouTube channels, right? So first is Monica Bedi ma'am. I used to watch her lectures. I mean, just the way she explained is just nice. So you have to check her videos as well. Now you have to make the notes from her video only, and I highly recommend you all to check her videos. She has complete playlist for class 12th chemistry, so you can check it, right? I will drop the link in the description below, so you can check it from there only, or you can go and search class 12 chemistry by Monica Bedi ma'am and the chapter that you want to study. Next, for PSCB students, check chemistry real. Now when you have to practice the questions, जब आपने chapter complete कर लिया after watching lectures of Monica Bedi ma'am, so you can go to this channel and watch the videos of MCQ and questions of that chapter. Next one, for some chapters like polymers, biomolecules, I refer to Sakshi Vora ma'am's videos. She also teaches and explains the concept in a pretty good way, so you can check it as well. Now after that, I have also uploaded some of the videos related to chemistry on my channel. Like for example, I have uploaded organic chemistry, and you can check it as well, right? Now moving forward, let's talk about book list. Now I referred to modern ABC book of chemistry. For some student it's like बल्कि बुक की बहुत बड़ी बुक है, आपसे समझ नहीं आती. सो जब आप मोनिका मैम की वीडियोस देख के चैप्टर समझ लोगी एंड आफ्टर दैट यू विल रीड मॉडर्न बुक, सो बिलीव मी इट विल बी सो ईजी फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड, राइट? एंड ड्यूरिंग द लास्ट मंथ ऑफ द like year, for example in February or January, I used to do MCQs and numericals or read questions from Accurate and Unimax to get a better idea of the type and wording of the questions that can be asked in the examination. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ हाउ आई यूज़ टू मेक माई नोट्स. जब आप लेक्चर देख रहे हो कोई भी, यू हैव टू मेक योर ओन नोट्स. लेट्स से आप मोनिका मैम की लेक्चर्स देख रहे हो, यू हैव टू राइट साइड बाय साइड. सिर्फ लेक्चर देखना विल नॉट वर्क एंड सफाइज. यू हैव टू पुट इन द एफर्ट्स, राइट? नोट्स मेड बाय यू आर द बेस्ट. एंड आई हैव ऑल्सो wrote a few points. Firstly, write in your own words. You don't have to copy and paste from the book. फिर आपकी what will be the difference between the book and the notebook if you are just copy and pasting it, right? So you have to highlight the important information. For example, if there is some formula of phenol or any formula related to any property like colligative properties or anything, you have to highlight. You can use the bullet points, and you have to revise and review notes. It's not like that you have made the notes but you are not checking that if I have missed something or not. notes बना के नहीं रखनी. like for example, आपने क्लास में कुछ ऐसा करवा दे जो आपके नोट्स में नहीं है, सो यू हैव टू ऐड इन योर ओन नोट्स. ऐसा नहीं है एक बार वो नोट्स बना लिए एंड द नेक्स्ट टाइम यू आर मेकिंग सम अदर नोट्स. नो, यू डोंट हैव टू डू दिस. यू हैव टू डू द वैल्यू एडिशन इन द नोट्स ओनली. एंड देन पर्सनलाइज योर मेथड. I have told you what worked out for me. You have to do what works for you, right? At last, I would say that that's all from my side. I think I have answered all the questions that you asked me. At last, revision is the key. ऐसा नहीं करना कि notes बना के रख लिए and you are not revising. Practice the numericals by yourself and go through the sample papers at the last of the syllabus or when your exams are approaching, and revise your notes properly. And stay positive throughout your preparation journey. And every teacher has something valuable to offer. So follow the one that you think is the best for you. All I can do is I can just share my learnings with you all. At the end, you all have to put in the efforts. And yes, that's all from my side. And do give a thumbs up if you found something helpful, and yes, share with your friends, and thank you. And do comment me if you have any questions to ask, and I will definitely try to answer those questions too, right?